Congrats. And that takes us nicely to the weather and to Kate. So how is this week looking?
Not too bad, Riz, actually. In fact, it's really quite mild. You can see behind me, this was Stratford earlier on today. Daffodils in bloom, blue sky. It is feeling a little bit like spring. A little bit of a different story this afternoon. More cloud moved across as a warm front just edged towards us. 1 or 2 spots of rain in that cloud as well. And we really join the evening with those conditions. We've still got quite a bit of cloud around as we head into this evening and overnight. Now, we should be largely dry. Can't rule out the odd spot, but we'll see some breaks in the cloud as well, especially towards dawn. Still a bit of a breeze overnight as well, but the temperature not dropping too far at all, between 7–8 Celsius, so milder than last night and a mild start to Tuesday. Now, we should get some sunshine around first thing tomorrow morning, but there is a little bit more cloud. You won't have that clear blue sky we had today. Should, however, remain dry. We've still got that southwesterly breeze, but look at those temperatures. They are going to feel very mild. 14 Celsius tomorrow, so it will feel a little bit like spring. Now, overnight, you can see we've got this front. It's really slow moving, but it is very, very slowly edging towards us. Now, we're going to hang on to this mild air through Tuesday night into Wednesday. Some bright spells first thing on Wednesday morning, but then that cloud will start to move in. Now, that front is weakening the whole time. We might just get the odd spot of rain on Wednesday, but nothing significant. The temperatures still in that mild air mass. We're looking at 13 Celsius. Now, that cold front continues overnight Wednesday into Thursday, and you'll notice this blue colour, that represents the colder air. That's going to filter in overnight, so we might just wake up to a frost first thing on Friday morning. A ridge of high pressure starts to build as well. It squeezes everything out of the way, so the temperature drops quite dramatically actually by Friday. 8 Celsius the maximum, waking up to a little bit of frost, but we will have lots of sunshine as we head into the weekend. The end of the weekend perhaps turning a little bit more unsettled, but temperatures turning a little colder for the end of the week. Riz.
Okay, Kate, thank you. Let me just recap the main headlines. Pupils' GCSE and A-level exams will be graded more generously than in pre-pandemic years to make up for the disruption COVID has had on learning. National exams are going ahead this year across the UK for the first time since the pandemic began. Long-awaited plans to tackle record NHS waiting lists in England have been delayed until later this week. 6 million patients are currently waiting for non-urgent operations and procedures. And amid growing concern worldwide about the situation in Ukraine, President Macron is holding urgent talks in Moscow with President Putin. The French president said he hoped discussions would begin a process of de-escalation. That's it, but all you need to know about GCSE and A-level exams returning this summer after relying on teacher assessments is on the BBC News website and our social media. Thanks for watching. Have a good evening. Bye-bye.